Welcome to an exploration of comfort, warmth, and convenience. Today, we delve into the world of the Libiyi Portable Heater, a product that truly shines when it comes to personalizing your home environment. Imagine a world where you are the master of your home's climate. The Libiyi Portable Heater brings that world to life. It's compact, lightweight, and designed for effortless movement, making it your personal companion in every room. With its sleek and modern design, it not only heats your space but also adds a touch of elegance to it. The Libiyi Portable Heater is not your average heater. It comes equipped with an adjustable thermostat, ensuring that your room is always at the perfect temperature. No more shivering in the cold or sweating in overheated rooms. This heater listens to your needs and adjusts accordingly. What about safety, you ask? The Libiyi Portable Heater has that covered too. With an automatic shutoff feature, it will turn itself off if it ever overheats, giving you peace of mind. It also has a tip-over safety switch, meaning if it ever gets knocked over, it will shut off instantly. Efficiency is another hallmark of the Libiyi Portable Heater. It uses ceramic heating elements, which are known for their quick heating and energy-saving properties, so you can bask in the warmth without worrying about sky-high energy bills. But the Libiyi Portable Heater doesn't stop there. It also boasts whisper-quiet operation, ensuring that your peace and tranquility are never disturbed. It's the perfect companion for those chilly winter nights when all you want is to curl up with a good book or enjoy a quiet night in. And for those who crave control, the Libiyi Portable Heater comes with a remote control. Yes, you heard that right. Now you can adjust your heater settings from the comfort of your couch or bed. The Libiyi Portable Heater is more than just a heater. It's a lifestyle choice. It's about choosing comfort, convenience, and control. It's about choosing a product that values your safety and respects your need for a peaceful and warm environment. So why wait? Embrace the warmth. Embrace the convenience. Embrace the Libiyi Portable Heater. It's time to make your home a haven of comfort. The Libiyi Portable Heater is here, ready to transform your living experience. Don't let the cold bring you down. Rise above it with the Libiyi Portable Heater. It's more than a purchase. It's a wise investment in your comfort and peace of mind.